Hello everyone. I am Hemlata, Assistant Professor of English, Government First Grade College of Arts, Science, Commerce and Management, SIRA. Modern Literature, this paper is prescribed for 3rd BA optional students. Today, I am going to teach short story. But before going to teach a particular short story, let me discuss about the introduction and the content of the short story in general. Some contents are there to teach or write a short story. Every short story should have an introduction, a theme, and there are some tips for teaching short story. There are some ways and approaches to start a short story while we write or teach. There are important elements of a short story, and every short story should have a conclusion. Let us know about the introduction of the short story, of a short story. Short story is a piece of prose fiction. Short story is a piece of prose fiction that typically can be read in one sitting and focuses on a self-contained incident, a series of linked incidents with the intent of evoking a single effect or mood. The short story is one of the oldest types of literature and has existed in the form of legends, mythic tales, folk tales, fairy tales, fables, and anecdotes in various ancient communities across the world. The modern short story developed in the early 19th century. Let us know about the theme of a story. The theme in a story is its underlying message or big idea. In other words, what critical belief about life is the author trying to convey in the writing of a novel, play, short story, or poem? This belief or idea transcends cultural barriers. It is usually universal in nature. There are some tips for teaching short stories. Enthusiasm is contagious while we teach or while we write. Encourage personal discovery. Think carefully about the material. Read each story more than once. Embrace opportunities for cross-cultural discussion. Conduct a debate on a central theme. Enhance critical thinking skills through literary analysis. Make vocabulary stick. There are some ways and approaches to start a short story. We have to hook readers with excitement. We have to introduce the lead character while we begin the short story. We have to start a story with a dialogue, use memories, and we have to begin a short story with a mystery. There are some important elements of a short story. Character, setting, conflict, plot, and theme. First one is character. A character is a person or sometimes even an animal who takes part in the action of a short story. Second is the setting. The setting, the time and place in which it happens. Authors often use descriptions of landscapes, scenery, seasons to provide a strong sense of setting. Third one is the conflict. The conflict is a struggle between two people or things. The main character is usually on one side of the central conflict. The main character may struggle against another important character, against forces of nature, against society, or even something against himself or herself, his own feelings or her own feelings, emotions, illness. Fourth one is plot. A plot in a short story is a series of events and character actions that relate to the central conflict. Last one is theme. The theme is the central idea or belief in a story. Every story should have a conclusion. In the conclusion of a short story, it indicates character change through action, show character stasis through inaction, or he may kill someone, may welcome baby, there is the twist in the ending, leave the unanswered questions unanswered, or he may get happy. So these are the contents, these are the few important things we should know about short story. Before we begin the short story, we have to understand these things as an introduction. Thank you.